We are so glad everyone could join us today for this Medical Associates Health Plan event. We believe health coverage should be more than just a policy. It should be a partnership.
When you have too many providers, it actually drives up the cost of care because people get care they don't need. When you have too few providers, it drives up the cost of care because people don't get the care they do need. So you really need to have the right number of providers. In the local market, we have the right number. We want to keep them here.
A piece of legislation was enacted this year that policymakers can really get the first ever statewide look at how different health plans compare. To be able to say that Medical Associates plan here is turning around authorizations in 24 hours, versus some of the horror stories I've been hearing from other payers, 6 months, 6 weeks.
I think that's where we get lost a little bit in the excitement of GLP-1s, is that when these came to market, it was a confetti cannon. So we should have had a more singular focus for these drugs rather than like, guess what, they work for weight loss for poof, everybody.
The average length of time that an employee stays in a job right now is 5 years. And that average keeps going down, and I really wanted to understand why. These kinds of creative conversations about individuality and personalization create long-term employees who are more loyal, more engaged, and more high-performing.
That was always our goal, was to get back to Dubuque. I wanted to find the strongest medical provider group that I possibly could. That was Medical Associates.
That's the beauty of a multi-specialty group, the ability to quickly collaborate and refer patients to where they need to go. And if I have an awesome team to make my life easier and my patients' lives easier, I think it just makes good medical sense.
I'm the only physician in Bellevue. I'm able to do the doctoring and be supported by anybody in Dubuque when I want to call all the specialists and all the multi-specialists, and I can get answers right away when I need it. It allows me to practice better medicine in a small community, and I think that's a great effect.
You can have great players, but if you don't have a good team, the players can't really function to their highest extent. That's where I feel like we're at Medical Associates.
When you're covered by Medical Associates, it means we cover the services you need in the best setting, at the right time, at the best cost, in real time. And offering high quality, affordable healthcare is key to recruiting and retaining employees. We thank you for your business, for your partnership, and are honored to be of service to you.